Hey, so what I'm going to be showing you in this video is what I have here. This is some basic water kefir, and this has been sitting for 48 hours fermenting. And so this is how you go about straining it and preparing it for the second fermentation. So first of all, what I've got here is I've got a rubber band and a piece of silk. You can also use a nut bag or anything breathable. What you want is you want breathable. I mean, you could leave the lid off or just on there but not tightened. The thing is you want it to have air, but this is the silk protects it from anything falling in there. So that's why it's a good thing. You can see down here at the bottom, we've got some grains, and you may be able to see there's some floating up here at the top. And it's this lovely brownish color because it has both sugar and it has molasses. So molasses is what gives it its brown look to it. Okay, so basically I'm putting this through, this is a plastic strainer. The grains do not like metal. Stainless steel is the only exception to that. So if you're gonna use a metal one, make sure it's stainless steel. Make sure that it's a fine, I don't even know what that is. Like, make sure that it's a fine weave or whatever. So, and then I just have something that with a spout so that I can pour easily when I'm done. Sometimes it will splash out, so if I end up with some on the counter, just that's not abnormal. So, and so I'm just pouring it out. And so this will separate my grains from my basic water kefir. And my grains have pretty much doubled in size. That's what happens. And so here, I brought this plate so I can set this on it so I can tip it so you can get an idea. So there are my grains. And again, these have about doubled over the last 2 days. And so I have a container that I keep of these because I'll reuse some for my next batch of water kefir, but not all of them. So I keep a little bit of sugar water in here, and I'll put some in here, and then I use these to put in smoothies, or I'll feed them to the dog, or my husband will eat them. But they have probiotics as well, so it's all very healthy for you. So anyway, so this is now ready. The basic water kefir is ready to go into its second fermentation, which I'm going to have in a separate video. And these grains are ready to go into another batch of basic water kefir, and that will also be in another video. So hopefully that helps.